Kani kedai kedua dashen Meghalaya bani pediang sengobhai pi baro syakatup kubor mentaga janmin. Shwaban page ki kubor ki babnia ini page shwa ki mat bekongsan. Lecturer Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukonrat ki Sangma ya ke Shillong Medical College pada keren bagi kena puli jong kabach beningkong. Leperda Menteri Rangba Gejala ya ka 47 kilowatt rooftop solar system ha office jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Kentai Deputy Commissioner Shiwanch Awasti ya ka kubor hamsaya badon ki bayab haki kremti doyong ha ka Shillong thang sky. Beli ka President Kavi yaki project penroy ha Senapati District penpau yaki kam hapo ka PM Janman. Bat penkut kamairang Officers Club ya ka inter-office karam competition ka Beningkong. Nginya sengap mentah yaki kubor ki babnia Nagajala. Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukonrat ki Sangma henne kasni ulalet jingo ya ka Shillong Medical College kabadon ha Pasture Institute Barim halamali bad ulaya kren bad ki kena puli jong ka batch ka Beningkong. Menteri katanat ka kwat ka khia uba wailat miki shila bad ki wede ki menteri ki he sarkar kilaya shimbanta ha kani kasni. Sangma ulapen pau ya gejing sngongu ya ka menteri barim katanat puli puthi I Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo bad ikinong tre katanat na kabenta gejing IT lot jangki ban sedang ya kani ka college da ka baong ba ka longkum umau jam ban sakin mau na kabenta gejela. Ulapen shlori ki kena puli ban bu thong ha gejing puli jangki bad ulapen tikna ban a ya gejing kershan ka bapura wat hapdeng bun gejing e ki bala ban mi hadin. Lapen kot ya gani gejing lechingo da gejing penlong ya gejing ekren bad ki nong hikai bad ki kena puli kani ka college.
This opportunity that you are getting, which I'm sure you realize, nobody has got this opportunity in the past. You are the first people to get this opportunity, and you must really, and I hope and I pray and I encourage you that take use of this entire opportunity of being here. As I said, you will lay the standards down for the future generations and the future batches to come. We expect a lot from you, and yes, there will be a lot of challenges. Things are not perfect.
Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukonrat ki Sangma henne kasni ulalet banjurib ya ka office jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ha Shillong bad ula play perda ya gejingbu ya ka 47 kilowatt grid rooftop solar photovoltaic system. Kani ka system kabala pendai ya ki solar panel ki inverter bad ki battery backup kin la ban penyo ya ka boarding bad kin kentiu ya gejing pendan kam ya ka boarding ka bakhuj. Sangma ulayaro ya ka MSPCB na kabenta gejing lam lenti ha gejing pendan kam ya ka renewable energy bad ula banjur ya gejing le jong ka sarkar ban pen priang ya kani ka rukom pen mi boarding ka bakhuj ha ki wedi ki chaka trekam. Ula penyad ru ya gejing lang mi benia bad ki he sarkar da ka ba ong ba kalalong ka ba seiso bad ula ong ya ba ya ki lat ban pen klan shu ya ki kam jong ka board on saya kran pat ha ubnai kelalingkon.
So we're giving a full solution and not just a piecemeal solution. And I'm happy that today in the Pollution Board office here in Shillong, we have just inaugurated this, and I hope that this will support the overall energy requirement here. And more importantly, it will send a positive message that the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board is leading by example to ensure that they're using clean energy and motivate other organizations to also do the same.
Deputy Commissioner ka East China Hills Shiwanch Awasti ula kantaj aku kubor kabala sapriang haki rensan social media dangshen kabala ong ba kaladon gejing yap chong laingut kinong ti doyong haki kram doyong hakasnong thang sky. Habakren bat kadidi news. Ula pentikna ba katkum kajing tokit chongki pulit bat kajing penshisha hakate kachaka kapenpau ba om shamladon kanu kajing cha bandon ki bayam. Kibor penyat kibakan top ya u block development officer bat u superintendent of police kila takit halor kanikamat haringkat kajinga trelang bat urang basnang. Henry Kim Shamlalap AA. UDC ula banjur bala barabor ikikan huan pulit ban pensisya yukum kini ki kubor bat ban pentikna ba omdan kanu kakambian. Bat lada day bakidon anshim kia halor jongki katkum kaan.
Based on these reports that came in certain media outlets, we had inquired from the police department, and I wrote a letter also to Superintendent of Police to submit a report. And based on the thorough inquiry, we have found out that no such incident has taken place. And till date, as of now, there is no such actual information that certain instances like that, as has been reported, have taken place.
Deputy Commissioner Jongka East China Hills, Shiwanch Awasti, ula pentikna babaro laibu prangut ki kena puli ki bala yok pang nagajing yok bam igajing bam bala sniu ha JNV rembai kila yok jingkot bat kilala banlit school. Katkum kakai pod bala ai da ke inquiry committee kapen pau bakade nagajing lesi ha ka kamrashen ya ka bala ai jing maham ya kinong shen ha ka ni kecaka bala penlong school shipor la shemru baka donru gajing duna chugi jaka let bar bat gijaka sum ha ka bala thmu banchna shushu ikiwe di ki kamra badon kam lingba ka district mineral fund. Ansawanra ru ya kicing penlong ya ki regular health check-up but ki hygiene awareness program. U principal ka school ula pentikna ba anla ban penken reaction ya ka school sya ka jaka bathamai tang shudap bantai pura ya ka.
I have received the report of the inquiry committee, and first positive thing is that all the students have recovered and they have joined back the school, and certain issues were flagged by the report of the inquiry committee. So based on that, strict warning will be issued to the JNV authorities and especially to the mess staff to ensure that proper hygiene and cleanliness is maintained in the kitchen. And certain facts regarding, because we know that right now JNV Rimbai is working from the temporary campus, and there is a space constraint also, especially in dormitory, and there is a lesser number of toilets and bathrooms. So we are, the committee has recommended that more toilets and bathrooms may be created for the students.
Kinong shong shnong jong ka bernihat bat ki shnong ki bamarjan kilayay biteng ban mat jing e nagajing shlay ha ka por slam. Knang banyada nakani u MLA kathan bad u menteri katanat CNRD u ba sostenes sotun haringkat bad u deputy commissioner u Abilash Baranwal u BDO ka umling u ba Eric Dekhar bad kinong tre ka NHAI kila penlong yigijing lecturep yakinala bad ki caka pentuj menta kasngi uba sotun ula banjur halor gajing don kam ban trei penbha haswa ban wan ka ayom slab da ka baong bagi nong trei ka NHAI kila pentikna banshna yakinala ki babyang ban penduna ya gajing lang ka NHAI kala pins kemru ya gajing tmu bante ya ki overbridge ki ba arpun ha bernihat proper bat ha nong thamai khatsan mer ban wanra ya gajing shngan jugi nong ya kichan bat ban pen itnat ya kasurok ba.
Impak banwan nah kapur ba slay namara dangiwan dang kapur slay lanong indapat ba kinle ekakam te kan suki bat inginyo kendu inginyo mat keju kajing nakaliang ka ki nakaliang ka nahai idan lang ki engineer nakaliang ka nahai te maki kilai bat nglabu kajing kerpat ba kidai ban pendep kamkloi agabidai bat ka jingsna ka box culvert agidai bat ka ban pentikna ba ka outlet kadai ka flow kadai ban biang namar ba ki home pipe kimdai bandai ki baret kidai bandai ki bahe katkum ka jingwan jongka
Ka India Meteorological Department shen kan sabu ya ki Doppler weather radar ha Shillong ban kentiu ya ka rukom penbena ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka soin beneng bat ka jing ai jing maham habaki eryong u he jong ka IMD Shillong u thangjala lowum ula penbena ba on suppletion ru ya ka office bathamai jong ka hatura haringkat bat ka world class meteorological observatory bat ka exhibition center ha Mausanram shu katanat IMD MD kan ya trailang bat ke Sarkar Jela Banbu ya ki Manual Observatory habaro ki district bat ki blong kaban pen klan ya ke rukom kmi benia ya gejinglong ka sun beneng ha ke Jela.
We plan to office a new Met Office at Tura and another world-class meteorological observatory and exhibition center at Mountain Ground. And we will also be tying up with the state departments, especially agriculture and other line departments, to open the manual observatories in all the districts as well as block levels in the days to come.
Ka Association of Power Engineers jongka MEECL Meghalaya kala penlong ya ka General Body Meeting ka basaw henin kasni bakin thop ya ka program pen ko buram bat ka jing penlong ya ki program riti dostur u menteri katanat boarding uba met ba lingdo lembat u chairman ka State Planning Board u 80 mondel kila don lang ha gajing yalang ha ka ba ai jingkren uba met ba ulayaro ya gajing treshitom jongka MEECL ha ka ban pen klan ya katanat bat gajing la ban ai jing shakri jongki ha ka kam ula pentikna bag jinglong jingman jong ka boarding ha gajela kala khambyang bat kam don kanu ka jing penthot Henry kan don jing thot tang ha kapur bamaraman uba medba ula penbena ba ula yo pediang san pawai klur tingka na ka sarkar pedeng kaban yarap ban siu deb ya katulab badangsa jong kinong tre.
There are a lot of challenges as the industry is moving at a high pace with advancements like artificial intelligence and smart technologies. I assure you my full support, and I seek and I also assure the cooperation for the welfare of the people in the corporation and also the welfare of the officers and the welfare of the consumer and the state as a whole.
U President ka UDP uba met ba lingdo mentakasi ula ong ba kinu ki MLA ki ba mat ya gijing sngo diaw ki dei ban yakren markmat bat ka seng kani gijing kren jong u kalami hadien gijing sapriang ka khubor ba uba polingdo ula ban penyaso bat ka NPP hadien gijing shaweng kum udkhot ka kenhun menteri uba medba ula kentaj ban kren AA halor kani kaman Henry ula kdo ya kejingkiu jong kaseng UDP naki Henry ngut ki MLA house nem arajar khat pra shaka khat ar ngut house nem arajar arphulai hagaju kapor ula penpau ya kejing sngo scam jong kaseng bakan nang kiu arsha hagajing bun kidkhot haga election kaban salong house nem arajar arphupra.
See, I have nothing to say as what people are talking outside. As far as party things is concerned, I would like to say that anything that anyone who has got any kind of grievances or any kind of feeling, they should express openly within that platform. Other political parties, well, I mean, I cannot say anything. That will be very unfair for me because if I may, attempt to say something, perhaps will be not appropriate for me.
Ka Village Defence Party mau kerdang lembat ka Village Committee mentakasi kila penlong ya ka program ajing tip halor ka syong kurim kena bat ka jing pendan kam ya ki jing di ki basniu ka bak takjur ya ki kun samla bat ka imlang salang lapenya ya ka program da u officer in charge ka Mairang Police Station uba S Kharjana hagani ka juk kasni ka mau kedang sports social but cultural club kilapen kudno ya ka creative week barosh tayo hamadan shnong da ka jing penlong ya ka football ka jing mare ka jing yakop kentip ka jing shot bat kiwe u MDC ka mau thar raishan uba Powell Soklet uba long ukong san ula pen shlori ki samla samhoi ban pen I yala ki sap ki phong bat ula banjuru ya ki jing don kam ban light na ka shong kha khana bat ka jing pen don kam ya ki jing di ki basniu khnang ba kanam khta ya ka shnong ka thau
इसको तो ना बकीदन की समला जोंगी के बदन कता का जिंतब के बदन कता का जुमुर के जिक परखान an pelong ya kan ke creative week ka momon katayo ha ka bakikon samla ken pen I yaki sap ki jongki tenginge lemba kan ke jong persyang jong sports club nginyu i yaki help ke baret ki jongi yaki khun samla ki jongi makanya mi syahmat an pen i yaki sap ki bapet ki dan
Menteri Ketenat Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Uba Methodius Dekar mentakasni ula pli patba ya kawa lingdo bat karisiang subcenter ha West Khasi Hills District ya kabalatei hapo ka scheme PM Abhim National Health Mission ha gajinglet jingsep kabalong sanpasan lak tingka balawan ban yashim benta da kinong yalam shnong ki officer jong ketenat ka koi kekhia bat ki dikhot jong kashnong kania ka program kalong kum kasinjam ka bakongsan ban pen klan ye ki jaka Aijing Sumar ha Mountain Road constituency. Uba Methodius ulapen bena ba khatwei teli ki subcenter kidang don hapo kajing pentrikam bat la debru ban mangpisa na kabenta kashnong sherkon bat maumarin da kababanjur ya kajing paikmat jong ka sarkar halor ban pen bha shushu ikijaka Aijing Sumar ha katei kathan.
Hari ini kisnam mentah sisnam asnam ngilayo berpendak kambun ki subcenter bangila banyo sanction kambun ki subcenter ke kasar ki subcenter kumbalong mentah pok motion constituency kiran bat kini ki jongpi mentah bat jong kawal lingdo kiran ko bakat wei tadi ki subcenter ki ba ka jingtrei ka ngia chakman kiran ki ba ngila dem kiran bade ki ba kiran ya chat ki jingtrei mentah bat ngit bangi lesne hadin jong ka new year nang yo bani please jang sakato ka ne ki subcenter ki bari pok motion constituency.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Gejala Ubalongru General Secretary ka NPP State Unit Uba Sneaw Bhalangdhar mentakasni ulaya donlang ha ka program pediang buram kabalalong ha Wayajer Community Hall West Chinte Hills ha kaba sans pangut kinong yalam na kaseng VPP UDP bat Congress kila penyaso bat kaseng kibadei kinong mikmat na ki hnyo phulai tili kisnong chong kana tiang constituency kani ka program bala penya da ka office NPP chong ka constituency lawan ban yashimta da ki hajar ngut kinong shangnong bat ladon langru UCM ga JHADC uba thombor shiwat bat kiwe ki kenrem kilendan uba sneaw bhalang ulayo pediang burom ya ki dekhot bathamai da ka bakentu ye ke jinga tali bat ke jinga trailang ha ke election ka ban salong da ka ba banjur ba kinlong ka wei kum chi ying sisem ha ke NPP
Hanai wakmando ninyo ki pai ba yung kuno si membok i bakalayo nga biadawan bengkrok kan gemi ki klamine kini to kadakwa am kamtam kawan narteng deman ko hakatoblis hypertut in terms of development hajo ipor iwi kwa okerpa ye pindu mutuman mi beliung lini waklidas borim yonga wagitu timi gedang psia kenu kwa bang perang hajo medan mau di pai kloi prai kita tak kejimut
Nginya skap menta ki kubor na kathan chatei lamingi. Ka Kenhon Special Investigation Team menta kasni kalapoi ha Chief Judicial Magistrate Court ha Guwahati Assam ban IT yagi jingtip bayadei bad kamukot duma badang yat menta. Kani ka jinglet mi chong ka kenhun ka pen i ya ka sinjam ka ba kong san ha ka jing to kit ha ka ba ki jing to kit da ka an ki dang ya chakman ha po ka jing kmi da ka CJM ka Dibia Karki kabadai ka President chong ka Sikkim University Students Association kalapan pau ya gijing sngokia halor gijing mi gijing akan an badangshen ha kabayadai bad gijing thung ya u officer on special duty ha Sikkim University ka Dibia kalapan pau ya gijing sngokia chungki khana puli bad banjur halor ka jingdon kam bandon gijing bakli bad gijing khoj ha kabayadai bad karai chong ka bor badikmi da ka bakin turu ya kinong penya chong ka skol ba banya kren halor kani ka benta khnang ban penne ya gijing shania hapo ka jaka puli mentang nya ngap ya ki khubor nakari ka President Kari ka Draupadi Murmu henne kasni kalale jingo ya ka Senapati District Jonggajala Manipur ban ple perda ya henriu tali ki project penroi bat ban bu mau nongrim na ka benta santali ki weipat ki project kini ki project ki kenthop ya ka Model Residential School kabala mangtingka arpasan klotingka ki Primary Health Center ki Bashongdor Shipho klotingka bat kajingte ye gijingking Bailey Bridge ha gijinglot kaba khatwei klotingka kini ki sencham kinla ban kintiu ya ka puli puthi ya gijing ajing sumar ya ki bapang ya gijing suk jing shingan bat ki kampen roy ha ki shnong haba ajing kren ha gijing yalang ka president kala kedo ba hapo jang ka PM Janman layale kerpang ban kintiu ya ka imlang sa lang jang ki riulum kham tam ki ret pat ka ban pentikna ya ka hok gijing ada bat gijing yo benta lang na gijing kiu chong kari.
The Government of India is working closely with local leaders, civil society and communities to ensure that development in the Manipur is inclusive and sustainable. The Government of India is committed to ensure that development reaches every corner of the country. The government is giving special attention to the development of remote tribal regions. In recent years, the hill districts of Manipur have benefited from focused investments in areas such as road and bridge connectivity, including national highways and rural roads, healthcare, education, drinking water, and electricity supply. Livelihood programs such as skill training, SSGs, and Bandhan are improving the quality of life of people. These efforts are a reflection of the government's commitment to supporting tribal communities while respecting their unique identity and traditions.
La penlong ya gejingalang kmi benia ka bajiliu mentakasni hakaba ka DGCA AAI Airport Operator Airlines bat ka CISF kilai kendu lang ban kmi halor gejinglong balapan kre na kabenta gejingwan taplub ulo kendau hakani katlang Labatha ya ki nongdon benta ban pentikna bakin buat perking ya ki kendon SOP ban long ki bakit khia bat bandon gejing trailang Labanjur khamtam halor ka real time data exchange kajing pentray kam ya ki war room bat gejing bo ya ki CAT 23 compliant aircraft rengkat kinong tray ki balatbin Kibor badai kmi kila pentikna ya ki rukom tray kam ki babed bat basngan rengkat gejing ai kubor ki babyang por na kabenta kinong late nongwan Mentangin ya ngap ya ki kubor na kapertai Menteri Rang Bakdu Kari Thailand Anutin Chan Virakul ulayo pediang ya kejing menjur naga ying sim ban penkutno ya kejing dorbar kaban lampat sya kejing penlong ya ke general election house number 1 ya ka House of Representatives an sapenkut katkum ka an jong ka ying sim kaban buat da kejing penlong ya ke election hapo sabusan hadu andre posni Anutin sabat ya kakam caretaker jong ka sarkar hapdeng jong kani kapor Kania kasien jam kalami na kejing ke biang kijing ya kajia kaput bat kari Cambodia kabalawan ra ya kejing du jong bun ki mensim briu bat pensakma ya ki hajar ngut Ngin ya ngap saya ki kubor ya lek kai Kamairang Officers Club kala penkutno henen kasngi ya ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District Inter Office Karambut Competition kabaningkong ha DC Office Multipurpose Hall Hamausawa Kinong tre sarkar nagitanat bapher kilaya shimbanta shirhem ha ka thop ya lek kai double ha ka men but women single Kania ka lempung katmu ban pensilor ya ki officer ban ya lekai bat ban I shipor ya laki kam ki cham la samru ya ki kusnam shekinong ya shimbenta kum kadak kajing ai kuble ki Timen tapat ngenya pet ya Shillong jingman jong kasun beneng hakeleng ki benta jong kacela. Hatura kajing kriat kalong khat sau degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpa sau degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong sanpom riu na kashispa haba phai pat shanong ba Shillong kajing kriat kalong hinyo degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpo degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong sanpo na kashispa kat ba hajowai kajing kriat kalong pra degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpo degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong saupusan na kashispa kasun benengkan rang Hatura Shillong bat jawai. Shwaban poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngene pet biang sa shisin yakimat bakongsan. Lekchungo umentri rang ba gajela ukonrat ki sangma ya ka Shillong Medical College bat yakren bat kena puli jong ka batch benengkong. Beperda umentri rangba gajela yaka 47 kilowatt rooftop solar system ha upes jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Kentaj Deputy Commissioner Shivanj Awasti yaka kubor hamsaya badan kibayap hakikremti doyong hakishlong thang sky. Dia ka President Kari yaki projek Penroy ha Senapati District penpau ki kam hapo ka PM Janman. Bat penkut ka Mairang Officers Club ya ka Inter Office Karambut Competition ka Beningkong. Ti paralok katungila poisha ka bakut chong ka thup khubor jingi menta ka janmit hadu bangin daya syambiang bat pila syai ka sngi khublai pi barot.